Guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Minecraft launcher error code 1603. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to restart our PC. So while restarting your PC will solve the temporary issues, so please just restart your PC. So once you're done, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, follow the next step. So our next step is to sign out and sign in again. So if you are using Minecraft launcher and Xbox in the sense, based on your usage, please sign out and sign in your account in your Minecraft and your Xbox. So in Minecraft you need to click the top left profile, then you may see the option called logout. Please log out the Minecraft launcher and then log in again to solve the issue. Meanwhile, you need to do for Xbox if you are using Xbox. If you are an Xbox user, please enter into your Xbox and same as sign out and then sign in again to solve the issue. So our next step, the third step, is to clear cache file. So for that you need to press Windows or and then type %appdata%. Once you type %appdata%, you will get the .minecraft folder at the top. Please enter into it and you need to delete as shown on the video. It's a log and web cache files. Please delete the files as shown on the video. Once you delete it, please close the file explorer. So our fourth step is to reset Microsoft Store. For that you need to press Windows R and then type ws reset.exe. So once you type, please hit enter or else click OK. If you hit enter, it automatically opens the Microsoft Store on the Windows to reset the Microsoft Store. Sometimes it automatically closes once the process is done, or else we need to manually close it. So once it's done, please close the Microsoft Store. And our fifth step is to run system check file. So for that you need to enter into the command prompt as an administrator mode and then type sfc /scan now, hit enter. The process will take a long time from 1 to 100. Have some patience to wait on it. So I'm just speeding up the video. So once it's done, so our second step, the second prompt is like type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So it also take a long time, like 1 to 100. Have some patience to wait on it. Once it's done, please close it. And our sixth step is to reset the Minecraft Xbox. So for that you need to enter into your your settings and then apps and then installed apps. Over there please search for Minecraft and then at the right 3-dot icon please press and enter into the advanced option and scroll down. You may see repair and reset. Please click repair and reset. And guys, make sure once you reset you need to enter the credential once again to login. So same as you need to do for Xbox if you are using Xbox. Same procedure like repair and reset. Once you reset, you need to enter your credential once again to login. Then close it. Our seventh step is to repair gaming service. So for that you need to enter into the PowerShell and then make the PowerShell on administrator mode and copy the prompt on the description and paste it over the PowerShell. It will process and it will open the gaming service on Microsoft Store. If you are not installed, it will ask you to install. Please install it. If you already installed, it asks for update if it has an update. So once it's done, please type exit to exit from the PowerShell. And our last step is to reinstall the Minecraft launcher if none other previous step works. So just uninstall it and install it again. So that's it guys. Once it's done, please restart your PC and thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to YouTube.